Hello, it's me again. Forgive me if I sound a bit different, I'm coming down with a cold. So, today we're going to be tackling the quite tricky Llythrenau double, or double letters. This is part of the language a lot of English speakers have a bit of trouble with. So, we're going to tackle them one by one, and I'll tell you how to pronounce them. Okay, the first one is now the way you pronounce is quite easy, especially if you're a snorer. It's the same as the CH in loch or in well, that's it, loch really. So yeah, it's like blowing air through sort of the flaps of the back of your throat, really. So yeah, like that. But don't over exaggerate it. That's what a lot of learners do, and they sort of become unstuck. So yeah, your mouth's quite open. You do yeah, like that. Okay. Right. Next one. The sounds quite hard, but just repeat after me. The cat sat on the mat. It's okay, I'm waiting. Right. Now you're not TH sound in the. That's what th is. So instead of going the, you just go th. See? Easy when you know how. Alright, next one. Oh, this one's easy. Yeah, see the F sound. So two F's is f. Well, one F, by the way, is v. So it's a V sound. So one F is V, or v, and two F's is f. Alright, the next one. It's quite difficult because I've got a cold anyway, but it's Now, it's a very nasal sound. So, and it's basically the sounds of n and g together. So, it's like vibrating your nasal passages, I suppose. Like posh. So, ng, yeah, so. So just practice that and it'll come to you. Alright, here we go. A lot of people have trouble with so repeat after me. Okay? Go la 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 la. Yeah, everybody can go la, can't they? You just went la. Right. But instead of making the sound of la, right? Or l, instead of going like that, blow through the gaps by the side of your tongue. So it should sound something like oh, there we go, that's it. A lot of people overdo it and spit everywhere and no, like sound like Donald Duck, but no, just a little bit of air, just that's your double L sound. Ah, right, okay. The next one is f. It's quite easy. PH. Even in English, sometimes it's f, like in phone or other words I can't think of. Yeah, so PH is f. Oh, alright, this one's easy. R is just r and h together, so r. You've got to remember to roll your R, so it's r and h, so r. So the town I live in, for instance, is called Rhyl. Yeah, r. Okay, TH instead of the, no, instead of the in like it is in English, is th, as in thistle, and this. So it's th. And that's it. Sorry, doing the alphabet in my head. So those are your llythrenau double. So now you should be able to say Dafydd, Llanfair, pwll chwyn go gerich chwyn robin llan silig o goch, Llanes Rhugog, Rhyl, all sorts of words. Okay, so practice makes perfect, and I guess I'll see you next time. Okay.